Hi guys! Today I want to talk about my favorite DMK treatment. I use this treatment on my clients often because it's very effective and you can see noticeable results immediately following the treatment. DMK gives you skin tightening Botox effect. It helps reduce pigmentation, clear acne scars, and it's great for rosacea. These are the most common skin concerns out there. I have had a few people ask about the plasmatic effect of the DMK treatment. The plasmatic effect happens because the blood vessels and lymph nodes begin to respond to the enzyme treatment and the capillaries become dilated. So this is what the plasmatic effect looks like. Even though it doesn't look appealing, this is what the treatment is supposed to do, and it means that it's working. The plasmatic effect lasts 15 to 20 minutes after the treatment. For more information about DMK, check out my website. I will be doing more videos discussing DMK in more detail soon.